जमीन हडप प्रकरणात मांद्रेचो आमदार जीत आरोलकार हांकां व्हड धपका बसला। मुंबय उच्च न्यायालयाच्या गोंय खंडपीठान जीत आरोलकाराड दाखल केल्लो गुन्यांव फाटीं घेवपाक न्हयकार दिलो। आपल्याच मांद्रे मतदारसंघातल्या धारगळ हांगाच्या 1,44,000 चौखण मीटर जमीन हडप प्रकरणात आपल्या आड FIR रद्द करपाची मागणी करीत याचिका जीत आरोलकारान दाखल केल्ली। आमदार जीत आरोलकारान केल्ल्या जमीन हडप प्रकरणाची चौकशी जावची म्हणून आदवोगाद आयरिश रॉड्रिगीज आनी पूर्ण एसआयटी कडेन कागाळ केल्ली। फुडली सुनावणी 20 मार्चाक दवरल्या।
The Justice Jadhav one-man commission appointed to look into the rampant land grabbing in Goa has commenced hearing the cases today. The complaint against Mandrem MLA Jit Arolkar started today, and I pointed out to the commission that Jit Arolkar, who is politically very influential, has grabbed land of Mr. Raulu Kalap in Mandrai constituency at measuring 1,44,000. Jit Arolkar has also high-handedly grabbed property in the adjoining property belonging to lady Mrs. Shetty, widow Mrs. Shetty. So all the documents are before the SIT. It has been before the SIT from July last year, but since Jit Arolkar has been very politically influential, the SIT has done nothing. Next hearing is on 20th of March before the one-man commission, Justice Jadhav commission, and the complainant will file a detailed affidavit on that day. The complainant will be examined himself before the commission, and we will also request the commission to summon the accused Jit Arolkar so that he can explain what he has to say on this entire land grabbing.